No, there's no water. Cuz, you took a bath yesterday. No. Honey, I said no. You know, it's not usual for cats to like water. Okay, get in. I'll start the water. Get in. Big baby. What, Whiskey? What? Did you just wake me up in the middle of the night for a bath? Come on, come on. Okay, let's get in the bath. Get in. Are you ready? Okay. Loves that part. And what's this? We gotta put the mask on before we get in. I know. You ready? We're in the room, honey. You can get out if you want. It's not your first time here. So we feel more comfortable on mommy. It's gonna be okay, honey. Oh, he's hiding, honey. It's okay. We gotta weigh you, honey. Oh no. We're listening to your heart, honey. Your heart is great. Oh, you're a good boy. You're okay. Almost done. Good job! Good job, honey. It's over. Good job. Get into your house. Yay, we're done. You did it, honey. You did it. Oh, now you're good. Whiskey? Do you want to take a bath? But honey, it's not bath time yet. Are you mad? Baby, I'm sorry. I know you want the water. But today's not the day, honey. Alright, I'll make a deal with you. I'll open the tap water just a little bit. Okay? Okay. Oh, now you're happy. Oh, you like the water.
Honey, mommy's tummy hurts. Can you help mommy's tummy? Can you help mommy's tummy? Thank you. Oh, thanks, baby. Oh, thanks for the heat pad. Thank you. It's loaf mode time on mommy's tummy.
Oh, yes. Finally a bath after this long day. Whiskey? It's mommy's turn to take a bath. It's mommy's turn. Little monster. Did you see what happened on the news? You know that one guy that wanted to ban catnip worldwide? They found his body. He died. I can't remember where they found it. That's right, by the lake. Wait, I thought you didn't watch the news. Then how did you know his body was by the lake? Whiskey, not again?
Evil Dot.
Oh my god, are you serious? The batteries died again. I know, I should really find some better batteries. Where are you going? What are you doing there, buddy? Which friend? The Energizer Bunny. Wait, you're friends with the Energizer Bunny? Let me see that. Oh my god, Whiskey! You asked him for some new batteries? Oh my god, he said yes! My cat is friends with the Energizer Bunny. To Whiskey from Energizer Bunny. Oh, your friend sent us the Energizer Ultimate Lithium batteries. Oh yeah, I forgot about the laser there for a second. These really are the longest lasting AA batteries out there. Aren't you supposed to be asleep? you a winter coat. Yeah, but this one was on sale. Could you please try it on for mommy? Wow! So stylish! Wow! Oh! Oh my god, we're gonna be late. He better be ready for this. Whiskey, I'm home from work. You ready for your appointment?
Don't worry, you're not going.
We're gonna need this and this. Whiskey, come here. We gotta go to the vet. Yeah, come here, honey. Come. No. I know you're not happy about it, but we have to go. We'll bring this to help him. His vaccination pamphlet. Honey, we're going. Yeah. Come on. Let's strap you in. All set. Honey, we have to go. Please stop crying. Whiskey? You want me to start the bath, honey? Let's get that water started. This.
The water's coming. Ooh. Oh, lady wants a bath too?
Guess who's coming to give you kisses? I'll give you kisses. What you doing? Do you know what time it is? It's time for kisses! Oh, yes! I'm going to eat you. Honey, you have 3.7 million followers. Honey, be happy. I know you wanted 4. You'll get there one day, I promise. I heard some meowing, so he better not be. Whiskey, swisky, swisky. You know you're not allowed in here. You're not allowed in here. Stop. You're not allowed in here.
Bombastic side eye.
How did you sneak in? We gotta find a way. No, you're not allowed in here. All of these things are very fragile. You understand? I need you to be very If there's one thing I can say about Whiskey is that he never purrs. He's never been a big purrer. And the only times I see him purring is whenever he does that on the exact spot where my period cramps are. Having a bad endo flare-up, and he just finds the spot exactly where it hurts and applies pressure and purrs, and at some point he's gonna lie down and he's gonna start purring like crazy. Oh yeah. Ooh. This is a... He does that every time it gets too bad. I was cooking and it got bad. I had to sit down and he came running as soon as I sat down. I'm on the floor of my kitchen. Yeah. Dr. Whiskey to the rescue. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a? You have something to tell mommy? Did you just have a nightmare? Oh no. Do you want a hug? Did you check the calendar? What day are we today? Saturday. What do we do on Saturdays? That's right. All done. Hi, honey. Good morning. Do you know what day it is today? Take a guess. Yeah, your birthday.
Come on, get up. We got lots of things to do.
Oh, big stretchies. Did someone say catnip? Oh. Yeah, it's almost done, honey. Just be a little more patient. Now we wait. The look. Whiskey, wait your turn. Who is it? did you bring? Catnip! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Glad you took time out of our little hike to go potty. So kind of you to cover it up. Thank you.
Cut it out, Dogo.
I know you want to go see that female cat. Huh? Yeah, that Bengal, that new girl from across the street. But it's a no, honey. 'Cause she's pregnant.
Oh, shit.
And I hope to God you didn't have anything to do with that. Calm down, Romeo. No, come. Whiskey! Honey, I have some big news for you. You're an uncle now. You have a niece now. And her name is Doris. Yeah. I'm going to go meet her right now. Do you want me to give her something from you? Okay. Is it okay if I give her these? Okay. So I'll tell her it's from you. Oh, Doris! That's a gift from Whiskey. Your uncle. You have an uncle that loves you. Oh, hi. Hi. What is it? No, honey, I won't put more. The vet had a clear portion control with you. Gotta stop with the temper tantrums. That yellow lid helps you to slow down while you eat so you don't throw up all over mommy's carpets. Yeah, you do. Slow down, Flash McGuts.
What? With what? Mommy's birthday gift? You know that's today, right? So, what do you need my help for? Ah, so you want me to go get it? Okay, so where is it? Oh no, Whiskey. What did you do?
Whiskey? You want a bath? Okay, I'm on the toilet. Just give me 2 seconds. No, don't be scared. It's just wood. Okay, get back in. Get back in. The wood is gone. Thank you. Okay, let's start this. You know my water bill is gonna be. Mommy's gonna take a bath. Do you wanna come with me? Okay, get ready for takeoff. Okay, honey. Going to the bathtub. I'm gonna drop you right there so you can see mommy. Is that okay with you, honey? So you're gonna be a good boy? You're gonna let mommy relax? Oh, yeah. Yes, you are. So you're gonna stay in your ball, right? Because mommy wants to relax. Thank you, honey. That's a good kitty. You want to get to mommy's tummy? Oh. Thank you. Thank you for the biscuits. That's doing a lot of good, honey. Thank you very much. Hello. Whiskey. He better not be in there. Whiskey? This is Grandpa's collection room. Whiskey, no. What is that? What is it doing? Oh no! Where are your poops going? It's eating them! Oh no! It's okay. Oh wow, it's getting pretty late. I guess I'll go up to bed. Whiskey? You're up way past your bedtime! Do you know what time it is? You go back to bed right this instant. Come on, let's go to bed. Yeah, to your room. Come on, up in your bed. Yeah, you know the drill. Grab your blankie. Thank you. Okay. Good night, baby. I'm gonna start the water, honey. You wanna come inside the bath? Oh, yay! Mommy's gonna start the water. Yay! Oh, you like the water? Are you enjoying yourself? Oh my god, you're all wet. Ew. And now mommy's shirt is drenched. Okay, so right now I'm making cat wine, and no, it's cooling down. It's cooling down. Stop it. I know you want your cat wine. You gotta stop. It's warm. No, it's not ready yet. You'll have it. No, it's not ready yet. There's still a little bit of warmth, and I want it to be cool for him. No, don't try to go up there. Stop it. You're not gonna bamboozle me. No, hey, no. It's hot there. This is so cute. And meanwhile, I have my own glass of wine. Come get your drink. God. What? What do you want? What do you want? This better be important, Whiskey. Don't tell me you brought me all the way here for some pets. Okay, you win. What did you do? No, it's not nothing. So we're gonna go to the vet? Yeah, we have to, honey. We're gonna go by the booty.
What did he say?
We can't put weight on your paw. Okay. I know. Bonjour. Rendez-vous pour Whiskey, Sophie? Il est pas très content. I know you want the backpack. No, no. It's good. Oh. No, we're not doing this. Stop it with the attitude. I'm not doing this again. You know very well why that cover is there. Mommy is absolutely tired of picking up your throw up. You gotta stop eating that damn fast. Like, why are you in a hurry? No, you see, that doesn't work. You cry because of your cover. Yeah, you try to steal my cheese, and you also steal my nachos. Yeah, I didn't forget about last week. No, honey. You're gonna eat your food, and you're gonna stop crying. Oh my god, I'm out. So I'm starting to feel some cramps, and usually, Whiskey comes as soon as they start. So, hello. Right on time. How do they feel today? You gonna go loaf mode? Mommy might need surgery soon, but I know I can count on you to start making biscuits on my tummy. But as soon as my incisions heal, okay? This is what happens every time I go in the garage. So I leave for 2 seconds. I close the door. What? Yes, I know your order. Yes, I know. Hi, what's the maximum shots of espresso you can put in an iced coffee? Well, that's going to be what I'm taking today. Oh, and a small cappuccino with almond milk. We've been coming to Starbucks for 3 years, 3 times a day, every day. I think I know your order. Huh, looks like they're going into our street. They're going onto our street. Did I leave my flat iron on? No. No, I turned it off. I can hear you screaming from upstairs. What is it? So you just screamed at the top of your lungs so I could come downstairs so I would pet you while you eat. I can't with this one. Can I help you? Hey! want a toothbrush? So, you know that they're for brushing teeth, right? Okay, so to sum it up real quick, you're a cat that likes baths and teeth brushing. Okay, let me see if I have a very small toothbrush somewhere in the house.
There's no water. You won't understand the water. But you'll be all wet. Oh my god.
Tell me your cat has no boundaries without telling me your cat has no boundaries. Whiskey! Can you not? Cause I'm on the toilet. Do I bother you when you're in your litter box? That's what I thought. Whiskey. Move, move. Whiskey. Get out. Whiskey.
Let me try again.
Whiskey. Move. Whiskey. Whiskey.
It was at this moment that Nathan knew. He fucked up.
Maybe if I climb here.
Whiskey.
Sneaky sneak sneak.
Whiskey.
Try me, bitch.
I need to make the bed. You. Can you stop?
Hello.
Whiskey. He hates when I make the bed. Where are you going? You want me to follow you? Come on, let's go. What is it, honey? You want to show me something? What's wrong? You want to show me your bed? Oh, wow. Yeah, I know. You have such a nice bed. No, oh, Golis. T'es pas content, là? Oh, t'es en crise, là? Oui, je suis... Whiskey! Whiskey! Hi! I love you! Oh. You wanna come down? You wanna come down here? Are you scared? Are you scared to jump? Are you stuck? Mommy's gonna help you. Yeah, Mommy's gonna help you. Come on, you can trust me. Come on. Yes, you can. No, not wrong way. Come on, honey. Come on. You can do it. You can do it, honey. Come on, baby, you can do it. Don't be scared. Yeah, you can. Yeah, you did it, honey. You did it. Yay. No, you can't go in there. Cause I'm wrapping the gift, baby. Whiskey. No. Whiskey, no. Whiskey. What? You want Starbucks? What time even is it? I'm sorry. You're not gonna let this go, are you? Do you really want to go? Go get dressed. I'll meet you downstairs. I think someone's ready for his Starbucks. I know. Ooh. Honey, they want to know what you want. Okay. And one for lady. I know you want it. Here you go.